Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Paracycle Trading. I wanted to show you a few trades to add to your watch list. Some trades that I found, potential breakout trades that I found using our Paracycle volatility scanner. But first off, I just wanted to show you kind of an overview of the broad market, the NASDAQ. Primarily, this is the NASDAQ 100 futures, and it's really, had the biggest and best move of all the indexes. They've all been moving higher, but the NASDAQ has definitely been leading. So one thing I just wanted to point out, don't be chasing any type of trades. Just wait for the setup to happen. The market's in a really strong uptrend, nice bullish momentum. But when you start getting too far extended from this 8 EMA and the 21, it's going to either go sideways, let the moving average catch up, or price will revert back to the mean. So just be patient, wait for the trade setups, and then pull the trigger. But I want to show you a few trades that look potentially interesting for next week. Now here's a really cool tool that we've developed. It's called the Volatility Compression Breakout Scanner, and I can put in whatever symbols I want. I can make my own custom watch list, or I can put in other NASDAQ 100 or any index, Forex, futures, whatever. So this is my watch list, and then I can sort it. So here's a daily squeeze. You can see volatility daily squeeze, and this is if it gets triggered out of the squeeze. Here's a weekly squeeze trigger, 60 minutes. So what I look for is something that's in a daily squeeze, weekly or 60, and then I can focus, put these on my watch list, look for a breakout. And this is done using the rules of my trading system. So when I look here, you can see that we've got Verizon. This is in a squeeze, and this is on a daily. I'll show you the charts in a second, but you can just see here all the different stocks and ETFs that are in a really long squeeze or short squeeze. The green color code indicates direction to the upside, red indicates direction to the downside. So right now, if we look across here, you can see Verizon's in a squeeze. It's been in a squeeze for 15 days. HLF, Herbalife, that's been in a squeeze for 14 days. ATHN, this has been in a squeeze for 11 days. The ETF XLB, which is the materials, has been in a squeeze for 8 days. So these look interesting to follow, because when they do get compression, consolidation, they'll break. And right now the probability based on my models to break to the upside. Here are a couple other ones that I like to look at. Amazon is in a squeeze for 3 days. Priceline, you can see JP Morgan is in a squeeze, potential to the downside, and EEM, which is your emerging markets. So let's look at a few of these on the charts and see how they look. Now this looks really good. Verizon, you can see it's been in a squeeze here for 15 days, and right now it's getting ready to trigger to the upside. So I like the looks of this. If you put a trend line in, you can see it's starting to break the trend line. We've got positive momentum on my cycle indicators 1 and 2. Looks nice. Looks like it's going to poise for a push to the upside. Now the other one is, let's take Herbalife, HLF, and it's starting to break too. I like the looks of Verizon a little bit better. This is one that's been in a really long-term squeeze, and I like to look at this. This is going on my watch list. This is Athena Health. So it's been in a really nice long squeeze. So the more consolidation, the more energy that gets cooped up, and eventually it's going to break. Right now, the probability is for this to break to the upside based on my indicators. Here's the XLB. This is about ready to go. And this is the material ETF XLB. This looks good. Let's see what else we have. Amazon. I like Amazon. I'm already long some Amazon. It's broken a trend line, looking potential break to the upside. So these breakouts give you powerful momentum. Priceline is starting to look good too, and it's starting to get back above that 50% retracement. So going to watch this. So these are trades that I've got on my watch list, and I wanted to share these with you. And good luck trading. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention: weekly options and earnings go really well together. And earnings season kicks off this Tuesday, the 8th, with Alcoa. Now, in order to get you ready for earnings, I'm going to have a nice free webinar on the 10th at 4:30 Eastern, and we're going to go over a lot of great strategies and things for earnings season using weekly options. So I hope you'll join me. Just register. It's on the link is on this video. Good luck and have a great rest of your weekend.